सुप्रभातं छात्राः, स्वागतं, शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अद्य अष्टम्यां कक्षायां दशमं पाठं पठामः। पाठस्य नाम नीति नवनीतम् इति अस्ति। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In the class 8, today we are discussing the chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is Niti Navanitam. In the Niti Navanitam, 10 shlokas are taken from the Manusmriti, as we already know this. And in the first shloka, we have learnt that the person who has got the habit of wishing others and one who serves the elders, unknowingly four things will increase for him. They are his lifespan, his knowledge, and his fame and his strength. In the second shloka, we came to know that the pain which our parents face and bear during our birth, it cannot be repaid even if we try for 100 years. The maximum lifespan of a human is 100 years considered. That means throughout our life, we cannot pay it back. That's why in the third shloka he is telling that Tayor nityam priyam kuryat आचार्यस्य च सर्वदा तेष्वेव त्रिषु तुष्टेषु तपस्सर्वं समाप्यते. In the life, we try to impress many people, is it? For many reasons, we try to impress many people. But Manusmriti tells that Tayoho nityam priyam kuryat. If you want to impress, please impress your parents first. Tayoho nama mata pitroho nityam sarvada priyam nama ishtam kuryat. Always do what your parents like. Acharyasya cha sarvada. And if you want to do something else, please do it for your teacher. Acharyaha nama adhyapakaha shikshakaha. Teshu eva trishu tushteshu. If these three people are happy because of you, tapaha sarvam samapyate. As if that entire penance of the life is completed. That means if you can make these three people happy in your lifespan, then you will be the most successful person. Who are they? Father, mother, and the teacher. Tayoho, because mother and father are bearing so much of pain, and teacher takes so much pain to educate you. Earlier, we used to have the single teacher who used to teach, but now many teachers are there, is it? So, Teshveva Trishu Tushteshu, Tushtihi, Truptihi. If these three people are satisfied by you, Tapaha Sarvam Samapyate. Everything will get over by that. Then, now, as I told you, what is happiness? What is sadness? Simple formula is given by Manusmriti. Sarvam paravasham dukkam. Sarvam atmavasham sukham. Etat vidyat samasena lakshanam sukha dukkhayoho. Yes, Akarsh?
Yes.
Hmm. Sarvam paravasham dukkam. Parasya vasham paravasham. Whatever is there in others' control, vashaha means control. Whatever is there in others' control, that is the sadness. If you want anything, if it is in others' control, that is the sadness. Sarvam Atmavasham Sukham. Whatever is there in your control, that is the happiness. That means happiness is in your control, sadness is in others' control. Etat vidyat. Please know this. Samasena. Samasaha means precisely, in short. lakshanam sukha-dukkhayoho. Lakshanam. What is the lakshanam? Lakshanam nama kim? Sukha-dukkhayoho etat lakshanam bhavati. It is the formula. This is the formula that you should know in precise, that whatever is in your control, that is the happiness. Whatever is in others' control, that is the sadness. One small example I will tell you, that if you decide, all of you, you are not in the physical class, then I would have explained you better. If you decide that I will not cry, you decide. But the person in front of you can make you cry definitely. By any means, he will make you cry. But if you decide that I will not smile, nobody can make you smile. Just make a, just look at it, just decide on your own, try this, that you decide that I will not smile, nobody can make you smile, because you are not showing at all any interest to smile, because happiness is in your control. But if you think that I don't cry, it is not possible. Others can make you. Most of the time, for your cry, somebody else is reason. Some external forces are reason for your sadness. But happiness, that is the different way of looking at the things from westerners and us. Westerners find the happiness in the things. What is happiness? Happiness is sleeping on kurlan bed. Is it so? So if it is so, the sound sleep you must get only on kurlan. The sound sleep doesn't mean on the bed. The sound sleep on the person. Is it? Many people are not happy with the five-star food. Is it? People think that happiness is in the things. No. Why he is not happy? Very tasty food is served in the five-star hotel. But still many people are not happy. Because happiness comes within. When you are sad, even laddu bhi khatta lagta hai. You don't feel like, when you are so sad, somebody offers you Cadbury's chocolate. Will you accept? No, you will reject it. Is it? So things don't make you happy. It is you, bhavataha antaratma. It is your heart, it is your mind which makes you. That means independence. Sarvam atmavasham sukham. If you are independent, swavalambane sukham, paravalambane kashtam. This is the secret. It is explained in this shloka. I hope all of you understood and enjoyed it. Atra sarvam samastam paravasham, parasya adhinam, paradhinam, paravasham ityasya पर्यायपदं पराधीनं दुःखं भवति, कष्टकरं भवति. सर्वं समस्तं आत्मवशं स्वाधीनं, स्वस्य अधीनं स्वाधीनं सुखकरं क्षेमकरं भवति. एतत् विद्यात्, एतद् विद्यात्, वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णस्य स्थाने तृतीयवर्णस्य आगमः. त स्थाने द आगच्छति. एतत् विद्यात्, एतद् विद्यात्. समासेन, समासेन नाम संक्षेपेण, प्रिसैस्लि. लक्षणम्, एतस्य व्युत्पत्तिः, द कोट्. सुखदुःखयोः, एतत् सुखदुःखयोः लक्षणम् अस्ति. अत्र व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः. तयोर्नित्यं, तयोः नित्यं, तयोर्नित्यं विसर्गसन्धिः अस्ति. विसर्ग इज बिकमिंग रेफा. कुर्यादाचार्यस्य, कुर्यात् आचार्यस्य, कुर्यादाचार्यस्य कचटतप गजडदब वर्गस्य प्रथमवर्णस्य स्थाने तृतीयवर्णस्य आगमः कुर्यात् तस्थाने द भवति। सर्वदा सततं निरन्तरं सदा तेष्वेव तेषु अधिकम् एव तेष्वेव कः सन्धिः यण् सन्धिः अस्ति तेषु उ इज बिकमिंग वा तेषु एव तेष्वेव त्रिषु तृष्टेषु तेषु त्रिषु तेषु इति त्रिषु इत्यस्य विशेषणं भवति। तुष्टेषु तृप्तेषु तुष्टिः तृप्तिः इति पर्यायपदं तपः तपस्या समस्तं समाप्यते समाप्तं भवति इत्यर्थः। पुनरेकवारं पठामि। तयोर्नित्यं प्रियं कुर्यात् आचार्यस्य च सर्वदा तेष्वेव त्रिषु तुष्टेषु तपः सर्वं समाप्यते। सर्वं परवशं दुःखं सर्वं आत्मवशं सुखम् एतद्विद्यात् समासेन लक्षणं सुखदुःखयोः। आशुतोष तृतीयं श्लोकं पठतु।
Yes, sir. तयोर्नित्यं प्रियं कुर्याद् आश्चर्यस्य च सर्वदा तेष्वेव त्रिषु तुष्टेषु तपः सर्वं समाप्यते.
What is meaning?
Sir, if someone can make their parents, teacher happy, sir, he will be always succeed in his life, sir.
Yes, very good. Next. चतुर्थं श्लोकं पठतु आकर्ष।
सर्वं परमवशं दुःखं सर्व आत्मवशं सुखम् एतत्
विद्यात् समासेन
लक्षणं सुखदुःखयोः.
What is meaning?
Sir, the sadness is in others' control and the happiness is in our control. In short, we have to remember it is the formula for the happiness and sadness.
Sadness. Very good, very good. अग्रे चलामः। यत्कर्म कुर्वतोस्य स्यात् परितोषो अंतरात्मनः तत् प्रयत्नेन कुर्वीत विपरीतं तु वर्जयेत्। पुनः वदामि। यत्कर्म कुर्वतोस्य स्यात् परितोषो अंतरात्मनः तत् प्रयत्नेन कुर्वीत विपरीतं तु वर्जयेत्। I remember before reading this shloka, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to write letters from prison to his daughter. What is the name of her daughter?
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi is okay. When he used to call her as a Priyamvada. Okay. So for Indira Gandhi, he was writing the letters. In one of the letters, Nehru has written that, please don't do anything which you fear to do it in the dark. What a beautiful sentence. This lesson was there when I was studying in the degree. So he tells that it is for all of us, not only to Indira Gandhi. So if you fear of somebody and do, please don't do such things. So it means a lot if you understand it. If out of fear, if you are doing, means there is something wrong. Is it not? If you are doing out of fear of somebody may see me. Is it? In the secrecy, if you are doing that, it means that you are doing something wrong. But always what should you do is that yat karma kurvataha, by whatever the work doing, स्यात् परितोषः अंतरात्मनः, where there is a happiness for your antaratma, your heart, by doing anything, the work which makes your heart feel very happy. Tat prayatnena kurvita. Please put more efforts, prayatnaha. Put more efforts to do the thing which makes your heart very happy. Viparitam. What creates sadness to your heart, fear to your heart? Na varjayet. Please avoid. Varjayet means please avoid the things which makes you sad. Is it not? In the life, it is very easy, but please always choose what makes your mind, heart happy. Such things again and again with the efforts you do it. If something makes the work which you are doing, if it makes you sad, please avoid such work. So this is what I feel equally told by Nehru. That means whatever makes you happy, you do it. Whatever brings you, whatever you feel that I am doing in the dark, please don't do it. Yat karma, yat which, karma karyam work, kurvataha doing, asya asya manushasya, स्यात् होता है, happens, परितोषः, परितोषः नाम संतोषः, आनंदः, अंतरात्मनः, अंतरात्मा नाम मनः, चित्तम, एत तत् प्रयत्नेन कुर्वीत. What makes your heart happy, that with all efforts you do. Viparitam, viparitam means opposite, which doesn't make you happy. Viparitam to varjayet. Please avoid it. Viparitam to varjayet. Please avoid it. Presentation is gone, I think, na?